Today's activity is going to take us to Alab Cave, which is the second cave in the barangay of Asingavia. We seem to have a large group of people with us. It's nice to be the center of attention. They seem to take care of everything. They clear the trail, they make the meals, and they join us on the trip. So we have 3 local women that are related, 2 sisters and a cousin. Seems like the whole family inhabits this valley. And last night for dinner, I have to share that with you, they said, would we like chicken? And it turns out they just waited until it got dark. The chickens, the local jungle pheasants or jungle chickens, they roost at 6 o'clock just when it gets dark. They reach up and grab one, and that's what goes into the pot. That was kind of a shock to us, and how they prepared it and everything was a little surprising. But here we are walking. We just crossed a little creek. We've got our feet wet. Stone's very slippery. We're now walking through cornfields and banana plantations. You can see up ahead the bananas. Quite a large group. We probably have a dozen, including the local police force, which is one guy, and I asked him last night what kind of activities occurs in a village this small. He says a lot of fights, and sometimes people get drunk and disorderly. So that's pretty much his work. You can see now some of the banana trees up close. We'll be crossing. There's a creek to our left, and Alab Cave is a big unknown. It's only been mapped one short branch, and where we know the mapping stopped was at a giant blowhole, and they said it was really blowing. It felt like an air conditioner. So we'll see what that is about. We're going to try and push some new leads today. Anyway, I'll turn this off and catch you once we get closer to the cave.